On today's menu, one of the easiest things to make, roasted root vegetables. Preheat your oven to 375. Carrots, parsnips,
I have absolutely no problem leaving the peel on the carrots, parsnips, and potatoes, but that is your preference.
potatoes,
These are red onion bulbs. I got them specifically for this, not because they taste different, but just because they're cute.
salt and pepper, dried oregano, olive oil, and toss. Baking pan, beets, mixing bowl,
And we're tossing the beets separately because I don't want to turn everything else red.
salt and pepper, dried oregano, olive oil, and toss.
And just spread around your veggies.
Bake in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes.
Just look at those colors. Incredible.
A simple recipe you can make with absolute confidence.
To think that all I had to do was cut up some veggies and put it in the oven, it's just incredible.